Hi folks, welcome to my tiny London home. It's only 13 square meters. That's 140 square feet. Can you believe that people can live in such a small space? I'll show you how I do it in one of the world's most expensive cities. I chose this home because it's close to the ice rink and my local dance studio. This building has an entryway staircase and a shared washer. My neighbors are all in a studio or one-bedroom setup. I wanted to live alone so I could use the space however I wanted, and especially the kitchen because I cook every day. As you can see, my kitchen has barely any counter space and there's no oven. Here's my air fryer, which I use instead to bake my food. I bought it for about 50 pounds. The blender was a gift from my mom. I also bought this pot, which I bought for about 40 pounds. My tip is to have less stuff. Instead of a trash can, I just put this trash bag on the hook, and instead of a washcloth, I use my old t-shirt, which I also hang on a hook here. I have very few things in my bathroom. There's not much in here. The toilet is so close to the door, you have to sit sideways to close it. I didn't notice this when I first saw the flat. Always check these things. Even though there are building requirements for how much space needs to be in front of the toilet, don't assume anything meets building codes. Did you know that you needed to test drive a toilet? Always check these things yourself. There is a shared washer in the staircase, but can you guess how I dry laundry in such a small space? To dry my clothes, I set up my drying rack next to the bed and I spend 3 pounds to chuck all my bed sheets and towels in the dryer at the local laundrette. Living in a tiny space has taught me some tricks. Here's how I maximize every inch. For storage, I have a little basket for shoes and sports equipment next to the entryway, which is also where I put my shoes. I know my neighbor, so I will also put my shoes outside the flat too. To make the space bigger, I got white sheets with this waffle texture to make it slightly more interesting and hide wrinkles. I like my closet setup because I have this shoe rack that I use as a random stuff organizer. Gloves, hairbrushes, and even a head massager. I don't have that much stuff in my closet because I basically wear the same clothes every week. I put links to everything I bought in the description. I hope this helped. If it did, please leave a comment and let me know what you want to see more of. Thanks for watching!